Welcome, today we're going to show you how to actually activate your Sunbox card in 2025. So there are three primary ways to activate this card. You need to choose the method that works for you the best. So the first method is to activate online via EBT Edge portal. So you need to go to EBT Edge RC from here, just open this website. So you need to open this website, it won't work for all regions, but you need to go to it and go to the card holder portal. Click register here to create a new account if you don't already have one. Provide required information including your email, phone number and card details. When prompted to set a PIN, use the activation code. When prompted to see a PIN, just make your own PIN code and don't let anyone know that code. The next method is to use the EBT Edge mobile app. So you can just download this app on your mobile phone from Google Play or App Store. After that, you need to enable location services when prompted. Log in or create account. Once registered, follow the prompts to activate your card and set your PIN. And the last method is via phone. So you can just call this number I see from here, 1-888-622-7328. You need to call the North Carolina ABT call center I see from here. After that, you need to follow the instructions that they tell you to activate your card. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.